Hi everybody. In this video, we're going to look at the estimation clipboard by Steve Wyborney. This activity comes with its own video where Mr. Wyborney explains it very well. So I'll share that with you now and then come back to offer some tips and suggestions in a few minutes.
Hi, this is Steve Wyborney. Thank you for visiting my blog. Today I'd like to introduce the estimation clipboard. This series includes 40 lesson sets with a wide variety of images and questions. Let's take a look at one of them. Every estimation clipboard set begins with a single image, like this one. When you click, a question will appear. In this case, what is the length of the string in whole inches? After students have an opportunity to estimate, the following click lets you know that the answer is about to appear, and when you click again, there's the answer. This is also where the estimation clipboard becomes very interesting, because when you click again, the image moves, and you can introduce another picture with the same question, except this time the students have much more context to work with. Again, there is a reveal, and immediately after the reveal, the third image appears. Here's my recommendation. When you reach the third and the fourth images, don't ask students to share their estimates aloud with the class. Instead, ask each student to write down their estimate, then share it with a partner, explaining what their estimate is and why they chose it. Then, after rich discussion, reveal the answer. As you can see on the next click, there's another image, another invitation, another opportunity to compare and estimate. Once again, the students jot down their estimate and then explain to their partner both what the estimate is and why they chose that estimate. And of course, eventually, there is the reveal. As you explore the series and the different levels, you'll find a wide range of images and estimation scenarios with several different objects. But remember that each set includes 4 highly similar images and a predictable routine for each set. And that routine is to present an estimation question and then to encounter and think deeply about 3 other highly similar questions. I'm also including tips for using the estimation clipboard with each lesson. I recommend taking a moment to read the tips. Download one or all of the 40 lessons. They're all free, of course, and try it out with your class. I'm Steve Wyborney, and this is the estimation clipboard.
This activity is great for helping students develop reasoning skills, which is one of the key components of the standards of mathematical practice. It can also be used as a way to informally assess number sense. When I was a math interventionist a few years ago, I would use this activity as a reward because students liked it so much. While we did it, I was able to get a better idea of where their number sense and reasoning skills were. There were a couple of students who guessed larger numbers when the image showed a smaller number of objects, so that was a strong and authentic piece of data that helped guide my planning. It has also been effective when teaching rounding skills. There have been times when I would write out rounded numbers to 100 on the board and tell students they needed to pick a rounded 10 for their answer. For students who are struggling to come up with an answer, I sometimes put an animated hundreds chart next to it so they can see the images and numbers side by side as a way to scaffold their thinking. The estimation clipboard page has many different presentations with each containing multiple activities. I often use this activity whenever I unexpectedly have extra time before a room transition or as a way to give the class a mini reward for being successful. I hope you enjoy using the estimation clipboard, and I hope you'll join us again next time where we'll explore more innovative math practices that'll be sure to excite your students. Thank you for watching.